What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from SafePal to Binance. So if you're looking for a way to transfer your funds here, or in this case your assets, well, this one is going to be kind of easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and basically access your Binance account, and you want to go and click on deposit at the very top right here. Now since we want to transfer it to our Binance account, now you want to go and click on deposit crypto. And in here, you want to go and select whichever asset you want to transfer. So for example, maybe you want to transfer USDT, you could go and just choose USDT here. But currently, there are going to be some restrictions that you need to know here. So there are going to be only a few coins that you could actually transfer on SafePal. But in this case, just an example, I'm going to choose ETH here. I'll be showing you which coins you can actually transfer from SafePal to Binance. So let's choose ETH here. You could choose your network. So it's going to choose the ERC20 network, default network that you could use here for your ETH, and just basically copy the address that you see here. Now once you've done that, you could go ahead and go back into your browser here and open up SafePal. Now in here, you could go and just click on the send option, and you could go and choose whichever token or asset you want to send here. So by default, since we chose an ETH, which uses the ERC20, what we did before, so it's really important that you use the same network when you're doing this transaction here. Just use that one and just enter your address here, and also the amount that you want to send. So for example, you want to send like 0.01 of your ETH, and it should show you how much you have, what's the equivalent value for that. But in this case, once you have enough funds, you just click on next here and just confirm a few things, and you should be able to make your transaction. Now the transaction usually takes like a few seconds to a minute to complete, but just wait for it, and usually you should be good. Again, network should be the same when you're doing this, but you should be good. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.